In the following video, we will be creating a non-stock purchase order from the purchase request that we created. To do so, we can select Purchasing from the left list. You can go to Purchase Request and Purchase Request. All entry transactions for requests will be down below. We can select all supervisor entry transaction. So we can now locate the last purchase request for non-stock product that we created. And to create a purchase order, we simply need to click on Order from the right list. Pop-up message will open that tells us Generate Orders, and we will click on OK. And here we've got a log file that states that an order was created with the order number and for the supplier. So what we can do is we can now go and we can look for the specific order number within the order screen. To do this, we can click on Close Page. We're back in the Purchase Request screen. We can click on Close Page again. We can still continue on purchasing, and we can scroll down to Orders and click on Orders. The order entry transactions will be listed. We can select all supervisors entry transaction. So to look for our specific purchase order that we have created, we can look at the left list. We can look on the search field for the date. Because we have done it for today's date, we can click on the calendar and search for all orders on today's date and click on Enter. And here it shows the only purchase order that was done for today's date. You can see there's our order site we've selected, there's the supplier we selected, and if we look on the Lines tab, we'll see our non-stock product that we used to create our order with. So because we have generated this from the request, there is only a few additional details that can be entered if needed. For instance, an internal reference, if there's specific carriers, and any additional info that we would want to add to the specific non-stock product. So now that we've done the non-stock order, we will not be doing a receipt because it's a non-stock item. There's nothing to receive. So all we would need to do is invoice the order. So we will now go back to the navigation page. So we can click on Close Page from the right list. And this will take us back to our navigation page.